The Mahdi has appeared and he lives in Manchester. Every 3 to 5 years, somebody is on the internet claiming to be the Mahdi or the Mahdi's representative. However, the way in which people are fixated on the Mahdi, I have concerns. I have concerns that they're using it as an escape. I have concerns that they really want to, rather than do the work, okay, Palestine is occupied, Muslims are getting slaughtered in Sudan, in East Turkestan, in Myanmar, across the world. Wouldn't it be convenient if we just say, oh, the Mahdi's going to come and fix everything?
You're not waiting for a figure that's going to revive the ummah. You see yourself as part of a group of revivers, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. And the Mahdi is a continuation of Mahdiyin. Mahdis. Prophet ﷺ called them al-khulafa, al-rashideen, al-mahdiyin, the guided, righteous khulafa. But the idea of an awaited figure that justifies us sitting back and accepting our situation, that's not what this ummah is made of.
And I see that when people fixate on the end times, that this is a depoliticizing narrative, that people, they stop being concerned with what does Allah want from you now in this situation? How does He want you to behave? You cannot continue to drink your Starbucks and eat your McDonald's when Palestine is being occupied and people in Gaza are being slaughtered. That's a lack of walah wal bara'a. That's a lack of solidarity. That is crossing a line, and you're going to be asked about it on the day of judgment. When we move just to the eschatological, we're just talking about the end times and the signs and the Mahdi. It's almost like an opiate, right? That we can just take stock in the fact that, you know, the Mahdi is going to sort everything out. So I would express extreme caution, and I would tell everybody that yes, eschatology is important. We have this is part of the deen, it's part of the study of aqidah, is understanding the signs of the end times. But there are some people that obsess about it, so that everything that happens, they're only thinking about, does that mean the Mahdi's here? Does that mean the Mahdi's about to come? Where is he going to come? What's he going to look like? Is he going to run fundraisers on YouTube? First of all, let's be clear, eschatologically, right, talking about the end times, that we have not yet experienced any of the major signs of the end times. We have experienced minor signs, and that's typical. Like, there were minor signs that occurred at the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And according to the hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it's true that relatively speaking, the end times are near. They have been near since the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You should be focused about what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants from you, and what is the wajib of the time. How can you be, yes, as an individual, a better husband, a better father, a better wife, a better mother, a better son or daughter, a better community member, but also what are the things, how can you take care of your brothers and sisters? What can you do for your brothers and sisters abroad throughout the ummah in order to take care of your responsibility to the ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?